Yeah, that shit sounds so hazmat to God. Ridiculous. Reporting live. Californication. Hey, where you at though? I'm here, so I can big up to LA Mental. Yeah, this shit not done it. Fuck with me, man. Early morning, rise and shine, smell the kush, twist me up a fat backwood, then I push, money route like an armored truck, enough shots in my clip to take out everybody in the charter bus, plus the driver, no liar, I'm a fucking rider, let the rifle fire in the mask like Michael Myers, painted black hazmat, I do it like that, and I don't fuck with you cats who only write raps, and don't live it, probably snitch if you get cracked, never feed a mouse cheese cause he might rap. Besides that, I'm in the studio, blowing weed smoke. Hold on, this shit making me choke. Let me clear my throat. Mic check like a fresh pair of Nikes. Living in our lost paradise.